Hey, got a big announcement, big update. First of all, I want to thank you for following me all these years. We've built a community of over 5.5 million followers, so thank you. And in order to help you find the exact information that you are looking for, I've separated my content into three different channels. So the first channel is Jimmy Acu Sensei. Second channel is Achieve Integrative Health. Third channel is Restorative Longevity. So the first channel, Jimmy Acu Sensei, this is where you're going to find where I help you pinpoint and find the root cause of your health struggle. And of course, my famous QRA, quick restorative acupressure demonstrations, right? Channel number two, Achieve Integrative Health. This is my clinic channel. This is where you're going to find information about my clinic, my team, our treatment approaches, patient case studies, all here. Channel number three, Restorative Longevity. This is my new baby. This is my new company, and you're going to find information about supplements and herbs. Because people ask me, hey, Jimmy, what is you and your team? What do y'all prescribe to your patients that actually gets those phenomenal results? That's what I'm going to talk about at Restorative Longevity. I'm going to talk about what herbs we use, supplements we use for our patients in our clinic that produce phenomenal results, and also what are the recommendations we give them for lifestyle modifications and so forth. So you're going to find that at this channel, right? We're going to make these changes over a 4-week period. Okay, read the description below to get more details about each of these channels. Okay, and then follow the page that fits your needs perfectly, right? Of course, you can follow all three so you make sure that you don't miss anything from me, right? I look forward to seeing you on my channels.